A story about not giving up. Chapter 1. The Missed Goal. Liam stood on the soccer field, his heart pounding like a drum. The crowd was silent. Only one kick left. Just one. He stepped forward. And missed. The ball flew wide, hitting the goalpost and bouncing off. Silence. Then a groan from the audience. Liam dropped to his knees. His team had lost the final match. Because of him, Coach Taylor walked over and patted his back gently. You played your heart out, Liam. That matters. But Liam didn't feel like a hero. He felt like a failure. Chapter 2. The Long Walk Home. Liam walked home alone. His cleats clicked on the pavement with every step. Why do I even try? He muttered. I'm not good enough. As he passed the park, he saw kids playing soccer, laughing freely. He remembered when he used to play like that, just for fun, before trophies, before pressure. He sat on a bench, staring at the stars. One shot. That's all it took to ruin everything. Then he heard a voice behind him. You know, I missed once too. Liam turned around. It was Mr. Jenkins, the old man who ran the corner store. He was holding a bag of groceries and smiling. What do you mean? Liam asked, confused. I used to play basketball. State finals. Last shot. I missed. I thought it was the end of my world. But it wasn't. Liam raised an eyebrow. What did you do? I got back up, Mr. Jenkins said with a wink. That's the difference between winning and losing. Winners fail too. They just don't stay down. Chapter 3. The Choice. The next morning, Liam stared at his soccer cleats in the corner of his room. Should he quit? He picked up his phone and texted Coach Taylor. Thinking of taking a break from the team. A minute later, his phone buzzed. That's your choice, Liam. But I hope you won't. You've got something special. Let me know. He put the phone down and sighed. Later that day, he found an old notebook. On the first page, it said, Goals. 1. Make the team. 2. Win a match. 3. Score in the final. 4. Become team captain. 5. Never give up. He smiled sadly at number 5. Never give up. Huh? He closed the notebook slowly and picked up his cleats. Chapter 4. The Climb Back. Liam returned to practice a week later. Nobody teased him. In fact, his teammates clapped when he showed up. You're back, shouted Malik, his best friend on the team. Liam nodded. Yeah, I've got work to do. Coach Taylor smiled. Then let's get started. Every day after school, Liam stayed late. He practiced his shots until the sun went down. He studied his mistakes, asked for feedback, learned to fail better. Some nights, he practiced alone under the streetlight near the park. Just him, the ball, and his dream. Mr. Jenkins sometimes watched from his store, nodding in approval. Chapter 5. The Storm. A month later, during a regional match, a storm rolled in. The field turned slippery. Liam slid, fell, got back up. Again and again. Their team was down by 1. With 2 minutes left, the ball came flying toward Liam. He took the shot. The goalie blocked it. Gasped. Then silence. Liam stared at the ground, water dripping from his hair. But this time he didn't fall apart. He ran back, defended hard, passed, and fought until the final whistle. They lost again, but Liam felt proud. Coach Taylor pulled him aside. That was leadership out there. You didn't give up. That's captain material. Liam blinked. Really? Coach nodded. Really? Chapter 6. The Breakthrough. The next few matches, Liam improved. His passes were sharper. His attitude was stronger. He encouraged his team. He stopped counting goals and started counting effort. One afternoon, while jogging home, Liam stopped at Mr. Jenkins' store. You were right, Liam said. Missing wasn't the end. It was the beginning. Mr. Jenkins grinned. Told you. It's not about one shot. It's about the next 100. Chapter 7. The final game, again. A year later, Liam stood on the same field. Another final. Another chance. This time, the score was tied. Seconds left. And guess what? Liam had the ball. The whole crowd stood, holding their breath. He took a deep breath, stepped forward, and kicked. The ball soared straight into the net. The stadium exploded. His team lifted him in the air. He looked up at the sky, smiling. This moment was everything. Coach Taylor hugged him. You didn't give up. That's why you're here. Epilogue, the bigger picture. Years later, Liam became a coach himself. He told his players the same thing Mr. Jenkins once told him. You'll miss. You'll fail. But that's not what matters. What matters is what you do next. He kept a small photo in his office, him at 16 on his knees after that missed goal. Underneath it, he'd written in bold letters, "Don't give up. The next shot could change everything."